So tell me, what is Gangl?
Gangl is a system designed to combat stress caused by workload in Canadian university and college students. We found that the main problem was stress caused by workload, and we specifically found there was an issue with the way information was presented and managed by students.
Main users of Gangl are upper year undergraduate students in Canadian universities, and based on user feedback, we concluded that their biggest needs were consistency in the way information was delivered and accessibility, so they could access the information very quickly as well.
Alternative in place right now is Learn. It does a really good job at displaying all the information in one place, so it's easy to access. However, it's not very good at displaying the information in a consistent manner, so that's something we wanted to change in the implementation of our design.
Well, we began a process with a QFD that needed to meet the user needs and requirements. From there, each member in the group created an LFP. Here are some of the ideas. And we user tested these and took each desirable aspect from each of the LFPs and combined them into one MFP.
We used Wix to create our MFP, and from there we did user testing, and we realized that a lot of the users didn't really like many of the functionalities of our design. So what we did was we collected those recommendations and that feedback, and we went ahead to use a software called Envision. And Envision had this functionality called freehand sketch. And from there, as a team, we were able to finalize our functions and collectively design our app. And from there, we used another software called Marvel, and there we were able to finalize our user interface.
This here is the menu bar. We're going to go to announcements. You can see some of your messages. Then to the settings section, you can edit different settings. Here we're setting up notifications, turning them on and off. Back to the main page where you have your to-do list, and once you've completed something, you get a nice little message.
Once we had our user interface design in Marvel, it was just a matter of converting that into a fully functional application. We used Android Studio to achieve this. Android Studio gave us the ability to take our design in Marvel and add actual functionality that the user could use. For example, we were able to add the to-do list where the users could add their own items and delete them when they wanted. And they could also set deadlines and set priorities to those items.